In the exciting world of space, two big players are in a fierce competition: Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin and Elon Musk's SpaceX. But it's not just about rockets anymore. Bezos has revealed an ambitious plan to take on Musk's Starlink project and change the way we connect to the internet through satellites. Despite Jeff Bezos' significant commitment to research and development, Blue Origin hasn't been able to outshine Musk's SpaceX in real-world achievements. But now, Bezos has set his sights on a new frontier involving satellites to compete with SpaceX's Starlink project. So, let's dig into the origins of this competition and explore whether there's a possibility for Blue Origin to outdo Musk's SpaceX. Can Bezos' visionary plans for satellite technology give SpaceX a run for its money? Or will Musk's SpaceX continue to dominate the space race? Let's explore in today's video. In recent years, there has been a notable surge in efforts by companies to enhance global internet accessibility using cutting-edge satellite technology. This initiative is not only seen as a lucrative commercial venture, but also as a vital means to bring internet connectivity to remote regions that have traditionally struggled with limited access. The spearhead of this movement is SpaceX's groundbreaking project, Starlink, which boasts an expansive constellation of more than 4,000 satellites meticulously engineered by Elon Musk's pioneer aerospace company. Yet, in the ever-evolving world of space technology, competition is the driving force, and Jeff Bezos, the visionary founder of Amazon and owner of Blue Origin, has no intention of allowing SpaceX to dominate the celestial sphere unchallenged. His ambitious vision, Project Kuiper, is a low Earth orbit venture that directly competes with Musk's Starlink. Amazon's most recent move in their quest to contend with SpaceX is the announcement of a groundbreaking project: the construction of a state-of-the-art satellite processing facility located at NASA's iconic Kennedy Space Center. This endeavor comes with a hefty price tag of $120 million and will repurpose a former space shuttle landing strip to serve as the facility's foundation. Once completed, this facility will provide Amazon with the necessary infrastructure to seamlessly integrate its satellites with the rockets it has procured for this endeavor. Project Kuiper represents an indispensable component of Amazon's overarching mission: to bring internet connectivity to every corner of the globe. Their ambitions are far-reaching, with plans to launch a staggering 3,236 Kuiper satellites by the year 2029. While this ambition is commendable, it's essential to maintain a healthy dose of skepticism, as the promises made in the realm of space technology often diverge from the realities faced during execution. Presently, Amazon's Project Kuiper is trailing behind SpaceX's Starlink in terms of progress. The Starlink broadband satellite network has already amassed a substantial user base, boasting over 1.5 million global subscribers, giving it a 4-year head start over Project Kuiper. Bridging this substantial gap and catching up to the established Starlink network presents a formidable challenge for Amazon. Recognizing Amazon's achievements thus far is crucial, as undertaking such a colossal endeavor in the realm of satellite technology is no small feat. In 2019, Amazon unveiled Project Kuiper, coinciding with SpaceX's launch of Starlink. This prompted Elon Musk to publicly brand Jeff Bezos, who was then the CEO of Amazon, as a copycat, underscoring the vast resources required to compete with industry giants like Musk, who is the driving force behind both SpaceX and Tesla. Amazon strategically secured an undisclosed but estimated astronomical sum exceeding $10 billion for rocket launch capacity globally, solidifying their commitment to making Project Kuiper a reality and a worthy contender in the commercial launch industry. Amazon has boldly ventured into the world of satellite technology, sealing multi-billion-dollar contracts with esteemed aerospace heavyweights such as United Launch Alliance (ULA), Blue Origin, and Arianespace in Europe. These monumental agreements signify Amazon's unwavering commitment to its brainchild, Project Kuiper. This ambitious undertaking is set to embark on a staggering 92 satellite launches over the next half-decade, aiming to reshape how we connect to the internet. Yet, Amazon faces a formidable challenge that threatens to cast a shadow over its lofty aspirations: a conspicuous absence of rockets in its arsenal. This places Amazon in a precarious position compared to its formidable rival SpaceX, armed with the battle-tested Falcon 9 rocket, which not only boasts superior pricing but also boasts a launch frequency that could put even the busiest traffic controllers to shame. Falcon 9 rockets can take flight up to an astonishing 100 times a year, thanks to SpaceX's groundbreaking reusability technology. This innovation, which allows rockets to be reused multiple times, has the potential to significantly slash the internal cost per launch, potentially to a remarkably low $30 million. However, the rockets that Amazon has contracted come with their fair share of risks and uncertainties. At present, none of the 3 selected rockets have successfully completed a flight. This reality is akin to Amazon entering a race with untested vehicles against a seasoned champion like SpaceX. Consider ULA's Vulcan Centaur rocket, scheduled to launch 2 prototype Project Kuiper satellites in May. Unfortunately, technical complications, including a concerning test explosion, have propelled the launch date into the distant future, now expected sometime in later 2023. Similarly, Amazon's inaugural flight for Project Kuiper on the Ariane 6 rocket is on the horizon, tentatively slated for the upcoming summer season. However, Blue Origin's New Glenn rocket, despite its potential to be a game-changer, appears to be at least 2 years away from its first voyage into the cosmos despite previous delays. In the face of these daunting challenges, Amazon remains resolute and undeterred. They're forging ahead with their plans, preparing to kickstart satellite production at their Kirkland, Washington facility by year's end. Their sights are set on production launches and early customer trials in 2024, a bold testament to their determination. Kuiper's Vice President of Production Operations, Steve Mettauer, radiates confidence in their ambitious strategy, emphasizing the pivotal role that the new facility will play in meeting their stringent timeline. Amazon's aspirations extend beyond mere rocket launches. They aim to establish a robust satellite production process and swiftly transition into active service, inviting early enterprise customers to partake in their vision. The path ahead may be fraught with challenges, but Amazon's resolve to see Project Kuiper through remains unshaken. In this unfolding saga of cosmic ambition, the success of Amazon's venture hinges on the readiness of their contracted rockets. Bridging the gap with SpaceX and establishing a competitive footing in this space race will necessitate a substantial investment of time and resources, all while navigating the uncertainties of rocket development and space exploration. There's no doubt that Amazon's ambitions in the realm of rocket launches are nothing short of audacious. They're aiming for a future where their rockets take flight frequently and successfully, not just for Project Kuiper, but for all their missions. One rocket that's central to their strategy is the Ariane 6, originally designed for a modest schedule for 6 to 9 launches annually. However, a twist in the plot arises from the absence of the Soyuz vehicle for European satellite launches, which has heightened the demand for Ariane 6. How quickly this rocket can adapt to accommodate Amazon's ambitious goal of 3 or more missions each year remains a question mark. Amazon's heavyweight investment in launch providers has catapulted them into a commanding position in the Western launch market. SpaceX's Falcon 9 has already claimed a substantial chunk of commercial and military launches, effectively challenging established players like Arianespace and United Launch Alliance. With Jeff Bezos' substantial financial backing, these launch providers are poised to take on Elon Musk's SpaceX head-on. The forthcoming years promise a gripping spectacle as we watch these companies strive to effectively deploy their new rockets and achieve a high launch cadence. However, it's reasonable to expect that not all 3 companies, Amazon, Blue Origin, and Arianespace, will effortlessly attain their ambitious goals. The competition is bound to be fierce, and only time will unveil the ultimate victor in this thrilling space race. In the present, SpaceX stands as a formidable frontrunner. They've already successfully launched nearly 4,500 Starlink satellites and have the potential to amplify this number to a staggering 12,000, nearly 4 times the allocation Amazon has planned. These satellites come in 3 distinct types: Starlink Gen 1, Gen 1.5, and Gen 2, each tailored to specific requirements from orbit distance and weight to bandwidth capabilities. But here's where things get truly mind-boggling. SpaceX isn't content with just 12,000 satellites. They're seeking approval to expand their mega constellation to an astonishing 42,000 giant satellites, aiming to dominate the skies with their internet service. However, it's not just Amazon and SpaceX in this cosmic showdown. Other players like OneWeb, headquartered in London, have been in the satellite game early on. Moreover, various governments, including China, Canada, Germany, and the European Union, each have their own grand satellite deployment plans, adding even more competition to the mix. The US Military Space Development Agency (AFP) also harbors plans for significant satellite deployments in the future. This dynamic evolution of internet services is poised for further progress, leading to heightened competition within the satellite industry. Yet, Amazon stands at a pivotal juncture. Before they can advance further with Project Kuiper, they must await the readiness of their contracted rockets. Bridging the divide with SpaceX and establishing a competitive stance requires a significant investment of time and resources, all while navigating the complexities of rocket development and space exploration. In conclusion, the epic clash between Blue Origin's Project Kuiper and SpaceX's Starlink is a riveting competition that will shape the future of satellite-based internet services. Both companies are fueled by lofty ambitions, and the ultimate victor in this cosmic contest remains shrouded in the mysteries of space, waiting to be unveiled. The race is on, and the world watches with bated breath as these titans of technology embark on a journey beyond the stars. That pretty much wraps up this video, guys. Thanks for watching. So, what are your thoughts about these insane plans of Jeff Bezos to beat SpaceX? Share with us in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel with a bell notification if you enjoy watching our content. We upload some awesome stuff here that you will most certainly enjoy. Hit like on this video and leave a comment below. I'll see you guys in the next one.